Ever wondered how to make the most of your layover in London? With a dash of planning and a sprinkle of adventure, a layover can transform from a tedious wait into a mini vacation. So strap in and prepare to discover how to turn your next London layover into a whirlwind British adventure. As the plane kisses the tarmac at Heathrow, your 7-hour layover begins. But don't fret, this isn't time wasted. This is your golden ticket to explore one of the world's most exciting cities. First things first, leaving the airport. Heathrow Express stands ready to whisk you into the heart of London, making the journey from airport to city in a swift 15 minutes. It's a no-brainer. Hop on, sit back, and watch as the city starts to unfold before your eyes. Once you reach Paddington Station, your luggage might seem like a hefty burden to carry around. Not a problem. Paddington offers luggage storage facilities available for your convenience. Unburden yourself and feel the freedom of exploring the city light-handed. With the weight off your shoulders, it's time to dive into the city. London, known for its rich history and iconic landmarks, is waiting for you. A quick tube ride from Paddington can land you in the heart of the city, where Big Ben, the London Eye, and the River Thames await. And how about a taste of London? The city offers a plethora of food options, from traditional fish and chips to a hearty Sunday roast. But if time is of the essence, grabbing a quick bite at a street food market like Borough Market is an excellent option. Here, a world of flavors await your palate. No visit to London is complete without a nod to its history. The Tower of London, the British Museum, and Buckingham Palace are all a stone's throw away. But remember, time is ticking, so perhaps choose one to explore in depth. As your layover draws to a close, it's time to head back to Heathrow. The Heathrow Express will be waiting to take you back in time for your next flight. As you speed towards the airport, take a moment to reflect on your whirlwind tour of London. To recap, leaving the airport is a breeze with the Heathrow Express. Luggage storage at Paddington Station allows you to explore the city unencumbered. Sightseeing options abound, with iconic landmarks, mouth-watering food markets, and historical sites all within easy reach. And always remember to keep an eye on the time to ensure you're back at Heathrow, ready for your onward journey. So, next time you find yourself with a layover in London, don't just sit in the airport. Venture out, immerse yourself in the city's history, sample its culinary delights, and make the most of your layover. After all, who said layovers had to be boring? London is ready and waiting to turn your layover into an adventure. Duchess DJ, love here, embarking on affordable global adventures. Spreading love while exploring, I've covered all 50 U.S. states and 16 countries with more to come. Through Facebook, YouTube, and my website, gallivantinglikearoyal.com, I share live streams, blogs, and positivity. Join my journey of rising from poverty to royalty through love. Traveling opens doors that you didn't know needed opening. Duchess DJ Love, founder, CEO, show host, executive director, and producer of the digital TV show Gallivanting Like a Royal. Gallivanting Like a Royal is my platform to share love while exploring the world. I am a frequent traveler, blogger, travel influencer, show podcast host, digital creator, speaker, and author. My background includes a lifetime of traveling local and abroad, 20 plus years of wealth management while overseeing millions of dollars in the public and private sectors, travel enthusiast, avid reader, and photographer. My educational accomplishments include an MBA, Bachelor of Science in Finance with a specialization in commercial banking and a minor in economics. a former licensed securities trader, recipient of the Financial Management Certificate Program with USDA Graduate School, travel connoisseur, and a seeker of wisdom to achieve success. Join me on my show, Gallivanting Like a Royal, where we discuss travel inspiration and living a royal lifestyle. My show is on Roku, YouTube, Facebook, my website, gallivantinglikearoyal.com, Apple TV, Amazon Fire TV, Google Play, Fresh Takes Network, and other platforms. See Yay Sundays at 7 p.m. CST. You are invited. The Royal Echoes, A London Tale, Episode 42, Whispers of the Thames. London, a city where history and modernity waltz hand in hand. The River Thames, that ancient witness, flows through its heart, a liquid tapestry of secrets. And here, in a dimly lit studio near Covent Garden, Duchess DJ Love readies her microphone. Chapter 1, The Arrival. The fog clings to the cobblestones as Duchess DJ Love steps out of her black cab. Her heels click against the wet pavement, a rhythm that syncs with the city's pulse. The studio sign, Gallivanting Like a Royal, flickers above her, promising tales of grandeur. Inside, the walls wear velvet, and the air smells of Earl Grey. The sound engineer, a bespectacled wizard named Mr. Percival, adjusts knobs and smiles. "Ready, Duchess?" She nods, her tiara glinting under the studio lights. The headphones embrace her temples, and the turntable awaits its cue. Chapter 2, Vinyl Reverie. The first record spins, a crackling overture. The Duchess's voice emerges, velvet and honey. Welcome, dear listeners, to a journey fit for kings and queens. Today, we unravel the enigma of London, the city where Big Ben chimes in harmony with the whispers of ghosts. Chapter 3, Tower Secrets. Duchess DJ Love conjures the Tower of London. Its stones remember Anne Boleyn's final steps, the Raven's ancient pact, and the crown jewel's silent shimmer. "Close your eyes," she says, "and touch the walls. Can you feel the echoes?" Chapter 4, West End Masquerade. The podcast takes flight. Duchess DJ Love interviews a West End actor, a phantom of the stage. His voice trembles as he recalls Shakespearean soliloquies and standing ovations. The theater, he confides, is where dreams pirouette. Chapter 5, Bloomsbury Whispers. In Bloomsbury, the Duchess sips tea with Virginia Woolf's ghost. They discuss prose and madness, ink-stained diaries, and the river's silver threads. To write, Woolf says, is to dance on the edge of eternity. Chapter V, Midnight Tube. The clock strikes midnight. Duchess DJ Love descends into the underground. The veins of London. She boards a train and the walls murmur. "Mind the gap," they say. Mind the gap. Chapter 7, The Royal Sign-Off. As the episode nears its finale, Duchess DJ Love leans closer to the microphone. "Dear wanderers," she whispers, "London is a symphony of paradoxes, a fog-kissed sonnet, a double-decker waltz. May your footsteps echo through its alleys, and may you find wonder in every puddle." The turntable slows, and Mr. Percival nods. "Perfect, Duchess." She removes her headphones, tiara slightly askew. "Until next time," she says, "keep gallivanting, for in this city, even the raindrops have stories to tell." And so, the Thames listens, the tower nods, and London dreams on. Gallivanting Like a Royal fades into the night, leaving behind a trail of vinyl notes and whispered secrets. Tune in next week when Duchess DJ Love explores Parisian catacombs and dances with moonlight in Montmartre.